it's part 2. So this is outside. That's the house right over there. It's so beautiful, but it's so cold here. Like, there's a lot of trees. Like, look at this. If you come here, you will see cacao. See those? That's cacao to make chocolate. And let's see what else we can find. Here's another cacao. Here's another one. So it's basically a forest of literally plants. There's like cacao, there's a lot of stuff. And if you come over here, you can see it goes further in. I don't know if I'm gonna go there yet. Yeah, but that's outside. Now, come with me over here. So this big tree right here, it's from avocados. Avocados from Mexico. But yeah. And then if you come over here, you can see some chickens. Let's see right there. You can. They're gonna run away from me. But I need to show you guys. Look at that. There's more, but I don't know where they're at. So this is a bunch of trees. There's lots of fruits and vegetables here. Look at that dragon. Let's leave them be. So yeah, that house over there is from my aunt, by the way. So that's basically, this is the house. That's where they cook, and this is where we sleep. So yeah. So that's it for this video. So